Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to disable startup apps in Windows 11 in 2026. Okay, first open setting. After open setting, click apps. After click apps, find the app you don't need. Click startup and find the app you don't need. Turn it off. For example, turn it off in Logitech. That's it. The app will not start with Windows. Very easy. If you have question, please in comment video and like the video, subscribe Nice Tech channel for other tutorials videos. Good luck.